like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Okay, let's try this again. This is my third time doing this intro. Okay, let's try again. Hi guys, hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm here with my icon box, and yes, it's been opened because this is my third attempt at this. Something's happened every time. Okay, you get this magazine, and it comes right on top. These are all the items, as you can see, and I don't know if it's got the prices in here or not, but if not, I will put them on the screen, the values. And I don't think they do, so we're just gonna go through them. And yes, I broke my glasses, my other glasses. So I had my great-grandchildren for 2 weeks. 1 week turned into 2 weeks, so I ended up having them for 2 weeks, and so everything's a muck. Yeah, that's my babies. Everything's a muck. But, okay, the first thing I'm getting is 3% Retinol Complex Serum. And it's my First Aid Beauty. I have come to the conclusion I cannot watch a 3-year-old or a 4-year-old and a 2-year-old for more than 3 days. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And that's the consistency. It does feel really nice. No, I don't really smell an odor. Or a scent. Odor, scent, whatever. Odor kind of sounds like you're expecting it to be bad. Yeah, those... The 2-year-old was throwing a fit. You know, because that's what 2-year-olds do when they're tired. And the 4-year-old looks at me and he said, kids these days, just as serious. I was like, I don't stand a chance. I don't stand a chance. Okay, then we got, who's this by? Beauty Creations Skin Makeup Remover Pads, and they are in watermelon scent. Ooh, they definitely smell like watermelon. I could sit there and smell that all day. I could. Sorry about the video. It went kind of long. I was busy. I was smelling the watermelon. But it does smell very good. I don't know if it tells how many's in it or not, but that's that. And of course you go, you know, the old-fashioned lift it up. I put it right back down because I very seldom use makeup wipes. I don't know why. I just don't. But and that's what it looks like. But it smells good. It really does. Smelling good. Yeah, I went and had to start over once because I had to go get the scissors because I was in the bathroom and I had just went in there. And here she comes through the door with a pair of scissors in each hand. I've been calling her bride of Chucky ever since. Rotten child. Okay, then we have Dragon's Blood, Rodial, Hydrate and Tone. Yeah. Which I've been calling her bride of Chucky. This is what it looks like on the inside. Okay. Let's first, okay, we're going to stick it here. Just so you can see it. Now I do like Rodial, and I do like their Dragon's Blood. I think it was a moisturizer or something. But this is just hydrate and tone. So I'm assuming you can put it on like a moisturizer, and then it will also help firm up that skin. But see, I don't have that much problem up here. I have it all down here. So I have very high cheekbones. My mother had very high cheekbones. Okay, and this is Elemis Peptide for Eye Recovery Cream. Now I do know they redid their formulas. So, and I see they went to a different, you know, it used to be blue, now it's kind of black, but that's what it looks like inside. And that's the consistency. It does feel good. It feels cooling too. So there's that. Oh, by the way, I was looking on Jeffree Star's site, and he does have spring mysteries treats for $10 on his site. He doesn't have the $15 ones, but he does have the $10 ones. So I will be getting some of those. This is Kopari Body Bumps Be Gone Soothing Body Lotion, and it looks like that. I did go through and took the seals off of these because sometimes they get quite ridiculous with not being able to do it. And that's your consistency. It doesn't, you know, it's very, and see, as you can see, it doesn't go anywhere you don't put it. So that's, I'm going to do it up here. I've been itching something terrible today, too. I don't know why. My psoriasis, I believe. I don't know what that smells like. I gotta be honest. Then we have... Oh, this is Drunk Elephant. De-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. Coca extract peptide, and it looks like this. And this is what it looks like inside. And it just twists undone. I'll put this one on this one. There's a drop. Let's just see what she does here. And it has just light coverage, but it kind of, it's light coverage, but it's kind of a little bit darker. So there's that. Oops. And another thing I will say is when you get on their site, it does tell you how to use these products and all that stuff. So, okay. Then we got, this is All of the Above Weightless Eyeshadow Stick. That's what that looks like. I was trying to look at it and trying to figure it out, kind of. And this one, and this is what it looks like on the inside. This is what it looks like on the inside. And I imagine it's one of the roll-up ones. And it's just slightly above my skin tone. I don't know if you can see it there or not. Yeah, you can see it. But it's just slightly above my skin tone. And it looks much darker on the camera than it does in life. So, yeah, it's much darker. It's kind of strange because you can barely see it in real life, but then, yeah, that's it. But you barely see it in real life. Interesting. Interesting. Then I have lip oil. Does it say here? It's supposed to be plumping lip oil, but, and it's got the R on it. It's got the R right there. And this is what it looks like. Oh well, we'll open her up and see. And I do like a good lip oil, especially at night. And this is what she looks like. It says with collagen, and it's by Rodial. Okay. I don't feel anything. I don't feel anything at all. I'll just stick this back in here. Okay. Then, this one I picked, and this is it says by Rosie Jane, but let's see what happened. See if sometimes it says it on the bottle. Oh, it's vanilla. I don't know what it is. I'll put it on the screen. But I have perfume on already, but I'll smell it. Let it die down a little bit. And that smells very good to me. What does it smell? It's like slightly like a floralish, but it's not quite. Like maybe vanilla and a certain flower or something, you know, mixed together. Okay, and the last thing from my regular box is Maison Louise Marie, and it's number 14, Icila. And I tend to get a lot of these, and I give them as Christmas presents. This is what it looks like. It's a full-size bottle. Now, this company sent me PR once, and they were not stingy with it at all. So I actually opened the box, had an asthma attack. So then I did the video, and I was going to go through, you know, of the day, but they were, you know, there was so much in there. It was strong. It smelled good. Now every number has a different smell, so you have to kind of this very pretty jar. Very nice packaging. This, honestly, smells like it's got a little bit of Vicks in it. Vape around. Which tells me my sister and my best friend will both love it. Because usually, they have very similar tastes. If I think a person's ugly, they love it. If I think a perfume smells bad, they love it. So, nothing is wasted, because this will be one of them's Christmas present. So that, and I just set them up for Christmas, and perfumes are expensive, and girls like to get them for Christmas. Okay, and this was my Beauty Boost, and it's Murad, Retinol, Resculpt Eye Treatment. And that's what it looks like. And this little bottle is supposed to be valued at $95. Yes, ma'am. Supposed to be valued at $95. Not me. This little girl wouldn't buy it for that, but... And this is what she looks like on the inside. No, I would not pay that. Nope. Okay, let's see. It has one of these little lid thingies. And that's what it looks like. Kind of feels like, you know how you put your finger on the top of a Jello? You know, you just tap it. That's what it feels like. Now this is very soothing. I bet it would feel good with a metal applicator. I don't smell nothing in it either, but that might be because I just did all that perfume too. But yeah, this little thing right here is supposed to be valued at $95 itself. I paid $15, so I mean honestly it's a good deal, but is it something I would have bought anyway? No way. Not for $95, no way. So anyway, that is my Icon box from Ipsy and my Beauty Boost. And I will put the screens on the side and I'll put the total value, and we'll both probably have a good laugh at those. Because I know Rodial is very expensive. And there's two Rodial items in here. So I know that's expensive. And, you know, perfume is expensive. And there's two perfumes in here, so I would imagine they're probably pretty pricey there. So anyway, we sure appreciate you joining us today. And hey, do me a favor, hit that like button. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. It really helps the channel. Thanks.